Hello everyone. Today, we're taking your tech experience to new heights by unveiling the top 5 drones of 2024. These aren't just machines, they're extensions of our creative expression, gracefully soaring through the skies with precision. With advancements in autonomous navigation, extended flight times, and cinematic imaging capabilities, these drones represent the pinnacle of aerial innovation. For these reasons, we listed top 5 best portable drones 2024. They go beyond mere hovering or capturing still frames. They immerse you in a boundless aerial realm, offering perspectives that were once beyond reach. You'll find all the links to grab these exceptional products at the best prices in the description below, so watch until the end. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. This new generation DJI Mini 3 is a slightly scaled-down model that offers several enhancements over its predecessor, the Mini 2, including extended flight time. They're also capable of rotating to record vertical videos that are perfect for social media sharing. DJI has incorporated 4-in-1 pixel technology into the camera, also known as quad buyer in the imaging industry, enabling it to produce 12-megapixel images with 2.4 times more efficient photo sites. The Mini 3 is compatible with the DJI remote control that comes with the Mavic 3 series, as well as the RCN1 remote control. You can purchase the Mini 3 as a standalone product if you already own these remotes. In terms of flight steering and maneuverability, the Mini 3 performs just like the Mini 3 Pro. The primary difference is the absence of obstacle avoidance sensors compared to the Mini 2. The Mini 3's body is more sturdy despite having the same weight, and can handle strong winds much more effectively. It is also observed that the Mini 3's gimbal is significantly more stable than the Mini 2's. With a battery life of up to 38 minutes, the Mini 3 allows for extended flights without worrying about battery life. With the ability to film in 4K HDR video, you can expect crystal clear aerial shots with details and highlights and shadows, regardless of the time of day. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 SE. A product that stands out with its great price tag. It is a basic model that lacks collision avoidance, but it does contain GPS tracking and return to home, as well as quick shots automatic flight patterns that allow you to capture professional-looking footage with the press of a button. This drone is ideal for folks who are new to drones, or cannot afford the higher prices of professional models. It's a full-fledged smart drone with powerful software and user-friendly control systems, but it's priced reasonably. This small but well-constructed drone can take 12-megapixel photos and 2.7K videos. Also, the flight maximum time of 31 minutes is another advantage for novices. The weight is less than 250 grams, which means you do not need to register it with the US government to fly lawfully. You should still check your local rules and regulations, but it's a useful feature anyway. It is also portable and tiny. When folded up, it takes up roughly the same amount of space as a can of soda, making it easy to transport on travels. Furthermore, DJI couldn't resist equipping the camera with a high-quality 3-axis gimbal, resulting in an image that is more stable than most 4K budget drones. Manual exposure is also available, but not in RAW format. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. It is a powerful high-end drone designed to deliver professional quality recordings in all aspects. It stands out primarily for its highest image quality of 5.1K at 50 FPS, ensuring outstanding footage. Mavic 3 Pro is suitable for cinematographers, independent filmmakers, vloggers, and other creative professionals. It's heavy enough to require FAA registration, and you must have an operator's license to use it for paid projects, but it's still portable for on-site work. There aren't many drones that can offer footage in 4K or higher, but the DJI Mavic 3 Pro does it thanks to remarkable technology. You can also shoot photos at 48 megapixels, which will look just as good as films. Additionally, the DJI RC remote controller is included, so you can easily control it and get a video feed of up to 15 kilometers. One of the reasons this drone is one of the best is that it uses 3 cameras to provide the greatest possible video quality with a simple initial setup. Furthermore, the rechargeable battery is intended to provide up to 43 minutes of operation on a single charge. Overall, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the greatest and most advanced consumer or prosumer drone available today, thanks to advanced capabilities like omnidirectional collision avoidance, enhanced return to home, and advanced subject tracking. Number 2. Autel Evo Max 4T. It is a leading drone in the world of drone intelligence. This state-of-the-art drone is equipped with an 8K 10x optical zoom, a thermal camera with 640 A512 resolution, and 16x digital zoom, a wide camera with a 50 megapixel and 1.28-inch sensor, and a zoom camera with a 48-megapixel sensor and 8K 10x optical zoom, with a maximum of 160x zoom. These features make the Evo Max 4T incredibly versatile and suitable for various professional applications. One of the drone's standout features is its autonomous pathfinding capability, which allows for navigation in GPS-denied environments. Additionally, the drone can accurately identify and track objects, making it ideal for search and rescue missions or surveillance operations. The Autel Skylink 3.0 provides a transmission range of up to 12.4 miles, while the 720-degree obstacle avoidance system ensures safe flight even in challenging environments. The drone also features anti-jamming and interference technologies, an 8070 anti-image hot swappable battery with a 42-minute maximum flight time and a 27 maximum wind resistance. With an IP43 weather rating, the Evo Max 4T can operate in less than ideal weather conditions. The AMesh 1.0 mesh networking technology, 3D map planning, multiple mission types, and data security features make the drone incredibly advanced and capable of handling complex operations. Additionally, the multi-channel projection screen and Autel SDK allow for customization and integration with other systems. Priced at $8,999, the Autel Evo Max 4T is a significant investment, but its advanced features and capabilities make it well worth it for professionals in various fields. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. It sets a new standard for sub-250 drone performance by improving on the features of the Mini 3 Pro. The updated Mini 4 Pro preserves all the wonderful features of its predecessor, while enhancing the ability to remotely move the camera in portrait or horizontal mode. The video ISO sensor captures superb low-light video at frame rates of up to 30 FPS, enhancing the quality of videos. The Mini 4 Pro has a maximum flight range of 11.18 miles, and a maximum transmission distance of 12.4 miles. In FAA areas where no license is required, creatives can capture 48-megapixel stills or shoot 4K videos. It offers shooting in DLOG mode and launches a full suite of DJI's intelligent flight functions, including obstacle avoidance. DJI provides a controller with a built-in 5.5-inch screen, as well as a more affordable version for those who want to use their smartphone as a monitor. Moreover, DJI's versatility extends to larger batteries, providing more than 40 minutes of flight time compared to the norm of 34 minutes. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is an excellent sub-250G drone with features suitable for both professional and amateur use. In conclusion, the top 5 best portable drones in 2024 offer groundbreaking features, from high-resolution cameras to advanced flight capabilities. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, photographer, or hobbyist, there's a drone on this list to meet your needs and elevate your aerial photography and videography to new heights. If you like the video, please don't forget to like it and share this video. Also, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.